Hey guys, welcome to our channel, Unattached Affiliate Marketing. Unattached affiliate marketing, also known as hands-off affiliate marketing, is a type of affiliate marketing where the affiliate marketer promotes a product or service without actually being affiliated with the product or service owner. In other words, the affiliate marketer is not officially registered or connected with the product or service owner, but promotes the product or service in order to earn a commission on any resulting sales. Here's how unattached affiliate marketing works. The affiliate marketer finds a product or service they believe would be a good fit for their audience. They create a landing page or website to promote the product or service. This landing page will typically include a review or recommendation of the product or service, along with a link to the product sales page. The affiliate marketer promotes the landing page to their audience using various marketing channels, such as social media, email marketing, or paid advertising. When a visitor clicks on the affiliate link on the landing page and makes a purchase on the product sales page, the affiliate marketer earns a commission on that sale. In unattached affiliate marketing, the affiliate marketer does not need to be registered with the product or service owner's affiliate program. Instead, they can use affiliate links from third-party affiliate networks, such as ClickBank or Commission Junction, to track sales and earn commissions. One of the advantages of unattached affiliate marketing is that the affiliate marketer has more control over the marketing process. They can create their own landing page or website, and tailor their marketing messages to their specific audience. They also have the flexibility to promote multiple products from different vendors, without being tied to any one affiliate program. However, because unattached affiliate marketing involves promoting products without being officially affiliated with the product owner, it is important for affiliate marketers to be transparent with their audience about their relationship with the product. This means disclosing that they are promoting the product as an affiliate, and that they may earn a commission on any resulting sales. Failure to disclose this information can result in legal and ethical issues for the affiliate marketer.